Today, we're going to talk about the short sale process here in Maryland. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Malcolm.Lawson. I'm a Maryland real estate agent, and I put out videos all about Maryland and real estate. So if you're interested in either of those things, make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell icon to stay current with my latest content. Today, we're going to talk about the short sale process, how to apply for a short sale, and what to expect during a short sale. So a short sale occurs when you own a home and the monthly mortgage payments are causing you financial difficulties and you're underwater on the property, so you can't simply sell the property to get rid of it. Sometimes a bank will accept less than what you actually owe on the mortgage and forgive the remaining amount of the debt, and that's known as a short sale. So we saw a lot of these in 2008, 2009 because many homeowners had an adjustable rate mortgage where their mortgage payment would increase as the years went by, and because the bottom dropped out of the market, they couldn't simply sell their home because they would lose a substantial amount of money. So let's say as an example, you owe $350,000 on your mortgage, but you could only really sell your home for about $300,000. So you'd have to bring $50,000 to the table in order to sell your home. In a situation like this, a short sale may be a good option for you. We would negotiate with the bank and see if they would accept $300,000 to forgive your debt of $350,000. So this is different than a foreclosure. A foreclosure happens when you stop making your mortgage payment and the banks take action to repossess your property from you, and then they're going to try to sell the property on the market to recoup as much money as they can. Now, foreclosure can be a long and expensive process for the bank, and they try to avoid them when they can, because they know that they're going to be spending a lot on attorney fees and real estate agent fees, and in the end, they're probably not going to sell the home for as much as they could with a short sale. Now, there are major benefits to you short selling your home compared to getting foreclosed on, and the main one is just how much of an impact it's going to have on your credit report and your credit score. A foreclosure is significantly going to hurt your credit score and hurt your chances of buying a home later on in the future. A short sale will still impact your credit score, but not nearly as much as a foreclosure or for filing for bankruptcy. Many loan programs actually allow you to purchase a new home just 3 years after a short sale. So if you think your home would be a great candidate for a short sale, the first step is to contact a local real estate agent that's familiar with the short sale process. They should tell you what they think your home would sell for and how much it'll cost you, which will give you a good idea of whether or not that is more or less than what you actually owe on the property. Now, they're going to put your home up on the market just like any other home, but they're going to list it as a short sale. And buyers can submit offers on your property just like they can with any other home. Now, it's important to note that as the owner, you're not going to be able to keep any of the money from an offer on your property. All of that money is going to go to the bank to forgive your debt. Because of this, most of the time, buyers offer significantly less than a property is worth for a short sale. After the agent puts your home up on the market, they're going to get somebody involved known as a short sale negotiator. So here in the state of Maryland, real estate agents are not allowed to negotiate directly with the bank. You have to have a short sale negotiator to negotiate directly with the bank. The short sale negotiator is going to have you fill out a lot of paperwork, and they're going to try to prove the case to the bank that you do not have the funds to sell your home on your own, and that this property is causing you significant financial hardship. And they're going to ask for bank statements, income statements, receipts, and try to prove a case to the bank that this property is causing you a financial difficulty and you do not have the funds to sell the property on your own. After you complete all the paperwork for the short sale negotiator, and after your real estate agent has acquired a written offer on your property, the negotiator is going to combine those two things into a package and submit that package to the bank. Only after the bank has received a completed package from you will they send somebody out to the property to complete a BPO, that is a broker's price opinion. And that's going to tell the bank a rough estimate of what they think the home is actually worth. Based on the BPO and the offer and your financial situation, the bank will decide whether or not they want to accept your short sale on the property or not. So a few things to expect with a short sale is that, one, this is going to take a long time. Unfortunately, the short sales are usually a long process, can take anywhere from 3 months up to 12 months. The reason why is just so many people involved. It may take a month just for the bank to actually review your paperwork, and that's going to take time to send somebody out to do the BPO, and then for the bank to file everything and come up with a final conclusion for you. There's a lot of factors that play into this, specifically what bank you're dealing with, how many other short sales you're dealing with, So I would just expect this to take anywhere between 3 and 12 months. You also need to be prepared to do a lot of paperwork. It is a lot of paperwork to put a home up on the market and accept an offer. Is also a lot of paperwork with the short sale negotiator side to prove that you are suffering from a financial difficulty because of this property. Now finally, if the bank does accept your short sale, then the remaining of the transaction moves forward just like any other transaction. You go to closing, you hand over the keys to the new buyer, and the bank will forgive your entire mortgage debt. Now it's important to know that's only here in Maryland. In other states, the entire debt is not always forgiven. If you think you may be in a short sale situation and you're located here in Maryland, I'd love to have a conversation with you. My team and I have a lot of experience with short sales and have sold many of them throughout our careers. In my opinion, it is really important that you go with the real estate agent that does have a lot of experience with short sales. It can be a pretty complicated and lengthy process, and you want somebody in there that you can trust and rely on. If you want to talk more about a potential short sale, you can find all my contact information at thelawsongroupmd.com. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell icon. I put out videos all about Maryland and real estate, and I'll see you guys over in the next video.